different ways of multiplication using Bela's method.
Joe is the cashier of Robert. His job is to find out the salary of all the people who work for him. This chart shows how much salary each person gets in a day. Person, salary in a day. Supervisor, 280 rupees. Foreman, 90 rupees. Sweeper, 79 rupees. Joe wanted to calculate the salary of the sweeper for the month of March. He solved it in this way. $70 into 30 is equal to 2100. 9 into 30 is equal to 270. 70 into 1 is equal to 70. 9 into 1 is equal to 9. Rupees 2100 plus 270 plus 70 plus 9 equals to 2,449 rupees. Joe's daughter Bella has learnt another method to multiply. We can multiply 79 with 31 in 2 steps. We know 31 is 30 plus 1. So, first multiply 79 with 1 and then with 30. $79 into 1 is equal to 79. $79 into 30 is equal to 2,370. 9 plus 0 is equal to 9. 7 plus 7 is equal to 14. 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. Later, Bobby, brother of Bella, tried to find the salary of a supervisor for the month of March. He wanted to multiply 280 rupees into 31. Bobby solved the problem using Bella's method. $280 into 1 is equal to 280. 280 into 30 is equal to 8,400. 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. 8 plus 0 is equal to 8. 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. Joe felt very happy for the smartness of his daughter Bela. Finally, he tried Bela's method to solve the salary of the foreman for the month of March. "90 into 1 is equal to 90. 90 into 30 is equal to 2700. 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. 9 plus 0 is equal to 9.